Daddy do boom 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 and she dance. Okay. Okay, Daddy boom boom. Okay, Jilana, Daddy's gonna boom 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 now. One, two, three, go. One, two, three, go. Go dance. It's the she cannot hear it. You have to louder, really loud. Okay, Daddy, really loud, Dad. Really loud, Dad. Like that, loud. Okay, ready? Loud, Dad. Loud. Loud. Okay, game. There you go. Loud. Oh wow. Loud, Dad. Oh. Why you dressed like that? Shh. Okay, Dad, make it louder, please. Okay. Louder, Dad. There you go. Wait, Dad. Okay, do she goes first. Okay, ready, set, go. Go read your book, anak. Please. The Bible. You know, some of the kids, Julene, when they grow up, they said, "Oh, I'm so glad my parents disciplined me, and they're very strict." They were so thankful. Gilana, come on now. I'm not going now. We don't have friends anymore. You're in a high, guys. You're done now. No more high, guys. We're not going to horseback riding. Did you do horseback riding? I'm just freaking asking. Okay. Too many justifications. Read your book. Read your book until I say so. Okay, you can have three games in your Roblox. 3 pages, 3 games. I need to time that out. Right? Nice. Again, 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 again. Good job. No, she did by herself. Okay, come on. Okay, I'll take it now with daddy. Come on now. Jilana, no more. You're trying to no more. I